we're going to go ahead and explore a content browser for Math 6 so you can see what, when it comes to solving inequality for Math 6, what it looks like. All right, so we're going to click on um, solving, pick one workspace here real fast. And I think the workspace we're going to go with the solving one step equation for linear inequalities. All right, so let's see what it looks like with the kiddos. So this, you can do this with the whole class, or you can do it with just what the student would do. All right, so here's a question. So now you get to pick what operation is happening. You can do subtract from both sides, and student get to see what's happening when you're subtracting on both sides, right? And they get their answer. If you get it wrong, you get it tells you, you get feedback and tells you how to do it right. And at the bottom here, they get to plot it, so they get the understanding of open circle and closed circle, the rate, and so on. Here's another example with the variables on the right side. So subtract on both sides, they get to see what's happening, and then they get to plot it at the bottom here, and they get to see how the open circle and closed circle and the rate works. Here's another example, and this time I'm going to show you where students will have to work on um, plotting. They get to practice plotting. And by the way, you can assign a specific workspace to students now. In the past, you were not able to do it. Now you can. And also, you can always view what you want to assign your kiddos, right? All right, so launch your workspace, click on that. You can do this as a whole class or you can assign it to students. It's up to you. Here, we're going to do x is less than x. So first, they have to plot the points. The point is 7, so they have to go ahead and plot 7. And then it's going to ask for open circle, closed circle. They get to pick wherever they think it is. And then if they got it wrong, you get your feedback. And then they have to drag it. Notice I dragged it wrong the first time. And then it's going to correct me and give me a hint how I'm supposed to do it. So you have to drag it all the way to the number line. And I still dragged it. I dragged it correctly, but the answer is wrong. It tells me what to do. Now I'm going to drag it to the right place. And they give me a check. I did it right. And then click OK. Now, after you're done with the number line, answer the following question so we can get a deeper understanding. Do you really know what it means to graph things on the number line? So while answering this question, students get a deeper understanding. All right, here's another example with the variables on the left side. They get to practice that. So you plot the points, -6, then you drag the line, right? If you get it right, then you move on to the question so we can get a deeper meaning of what it is to have points on the number line when it comes to inequality. All right, so I encourage the teachers to practice this when it comes to number line. Thank you so much. I'll reach out to your coordinator if you have any questions.